Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable suggestions while creating new reminders on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and find reminders, so just find this icon right here, then tap on it, then on the very bottom you're going to find when adding reminders, so suggestions or not. So if you want to have suggestions, keep it on, keep it green as it is right now. If you don't want to have it, just tap on it and make sure it's gray. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.